Hello, my name is Peyton Baessa, and today I will be presenting you a science snack on coral bleaching. So first of all, what is coral bleaching? Well, coral bleaching occurs when corals are stressed by changes in temperature, light exposure, or lack of proper nutrients. They then release microscopic algae that lives within their tissues, resulting in a white color change. So coral bleaching is largely seen in the Great Barrier Reef during the summer months when there are increased water temperatures and a higher average UV radiation, but it is not limited to the Great Barrier Reef. It is actually seen across the world. So what are a few causes? Well, these causes include abnormally warm water temperature, lack of nutrients, water pollution, overexposure to sunlight, and low tide. But why does the coral turn white? Well, actually, it doesn't. The white color that we are seeing is actually the skeleton of the coral. And this is once the coral loses its algae, and we see it as a white color when it's actually a transparent surface. So if you look closely at the picture, you see the algae towards the bottom of the individual coral polyps. Towards the tips, it is more clear and transparent, and that's what allows us to see the white color of the skeleton. So, what does this mean for the coral? Well, without the microscopic algae, the coral will begin to starve. In addition, if the water is 1 degree Celsius higher for only 1 week, it can begin the process of coral bleaching. And these are the main two factors that we see when studying coral bleaching. And since algae is a major food source and a source of color for the coral, it can only remain in a bleached state for approximately 8 weeks before the entire coral plant starves and dies. And although the coral can recover from bleaching over time, it greatly disturbs the habitats of fish and shellfish that rely on it for protection. And if the coral dies and erodes, there is no longer protection for the creatures that once lived beneath it and used it to survive. So what can we do? Well, while we can't change the water temperature or the UV radiation, we can do our best to protect the bleached coral. If the coral is undisturbed for long enough, it will have the chance to regrow and take the place of the dead coral. So here are my references, and I hope you enjoyed learning about coral bleaching in today's science snack. Thank you.